Hi, so this is the inside of JourneyPage. Now, the basic use of JourneyPage is the three outcomes that an individual can enter. Whether it's applying for a particular application towards something or putting in a goal for something that you want, here's where you can put in your test. That's just what I'm writing. And then you will put, I will complete these goals today. Okay, now that these goals have been put in, you can either do them, delete them, or delay them. So for example, today if I don't get it done, I can put delayed, and then it'll let me know what I've been delayed. Now here's where this is really powerful from an administrator point of view. From an administrative point of view, you can actually assign tasks to individuals. So these are test groups that we have set up. So let's say that the task in this particular case is apply for FAFSA, and then you can put in whatever descriptions that you want. You can then create different groups, as many as you really like. So this could be one cohort, this could be another cohort, this could be a particular high school, and then you can click on it, or you can click on everyone and then add individual people that you know haven't done this. So for example, if you know that Ace Deuce hasn't filled out his FAFSA yet and it's important for him to do so, you can click on him and assign that particular task to Ace Deuce. Once you're done, you click assign, and then boom, you'll be known that you've successfully assigned an outcome to these individuals. Now here's what's really cool about it. You can manage these tasks. Now here's the most recent one that I put in right here, apply for FAFSA. You can assign it, edit it, delete it, and report it. You can see what percentage happened, who did what, who didn't do it. So you can see it right here, how many times something was delayed, as well as who got it done and who didn't get it done. So that's a really powerful tool for holding individuals accountable in a much easier way. Now, in terms of reporting, here's what's really cool about it. When I click on the report function, which is right here, I can pull a report of what everyone's done and what everyone has not done in my entire cohort. So let's just choose a random person. This is just an example. So let's say I want to do Debbie Fields. I go to full report, and then boom, right here I can easily see what they've done and what they've not done. This has been reset. This is the date that they were submitted. Here are the outcomes that they did and the details if they so put it. Now, let's say you want to download those as an Excel spreadsheet. You can export to Excel, which is really cool. So here's an example of what an Excel exported report would look like. You'll have the person's name, the number of items they submitted, pended, completed, delayed, reset, and what their score is for it. Now what's really powerful about that is that you can say out of the 200 people that we've worked with, 500 of them had put in tasks and moved towards college, and 450 of those tasks were completed. We have a 75% success rate. So that's a really powerful tool for reporting to the individuals that really care about what money you have and how they're pretty much spending your money. And here you can put in start dates and end dates, so you can see a range of dates of how many people got their goals done in a particular month. You can have it done by week, by day. So it's really cool to say how many people got goals done this week, next week, and so on and so on. So again, to recap, students can go in and put their goals in here and put in details for what they want to do. They can also tag friends, which is really cool, by putting in email addresses and other cool things like that, so that they can tell their other friends what they're doing and if they want to bring someone else in. There's a lot of other cool features as well, such as increasing your odds for success. So if you click on this, there will be questions that we'll ask that will help you realize why this is so important to you and kind of puts students in the right frame of mind. And you can put here to add a question, and if you so need to, you can upload a file. So let's say you have a FAFSA to do and you've already done it so far. You can just click on any file, and then you can say boom, upload it, hit I will complete these today. Now what else is cool about it is that, again, you can assign outcomes and you can also manage outcomes, and it's all brought to you in a nice little home page here. Now when it comes to users, there's also great information on the different users. You can add users yourself. You can either do it individually, name, so for example, name, email, and all that kind of cool stuff, or you can upload an Excel spreadsheet. So that's really cool. If you already have the information somewhere, you can download it, upload it, problem solve. You don't have to go through manually, individually uploading it. And then you can run reports as well on data from these individual people. Again, what did they do, what did they don't do? Again, these are all tests that we've put in this particular one. And you can manage the outcomes, run reports on all of the stuff here. So it's really, really powerful tool for holding individuals accountable to reaching their goals, setting new standards, and becoming a lot more successful. So whether you want to help people go to college, whether you want to help them go to school, whether you want to help them with reports, this is a tool that not only can be used by counselors, but it can be used by teachers, it can be used by coordinators, educators, even assistants that they don't need to see who's doing this, but someone can go in and say, okay, we have a PSAT goal, create a project, and get it done. So it's really, really, really exciting. I think it's a great tool. This is just a general overview. There's a lot more bells and whistles, as you can imagine. I'd love to show you in more detail how it all works. Hope you enjoyed this little demo.